Hello, I'm Emily from ImagineIF Libraries. Today we're exploring how to get started with Libby. Libby by Overdrive is an app that allows you to access the shared digital catalog Montana Library to Go, which is full of ebooks and e-audiobooks for you to enjoy. Let's get started. Using your device, navigate to your App Store. Search Libby, L-I-B-B-Y. The correct app should be one of the first ones to pop up. Install the app and open it. Now it's time to make an account using your library card. If you don't have a card, use the link in the description to easily sign up for one online, or go to ImagineIFLibraries.org. When finding your library, I suggest searching by zip code. The library you want is called Montana Library to Go. Select your home library from the list of Montana libraries. If your home library is Kalispell, Columbia Falls, Big Fork, or Marion, you'll want to select ImagineIF Libraries. Enter your card number. Now your account is all set up and you're ready to begin browsing. You can search for a specific title you're looking for, or browse categories like new and popular titles, or genres like romance, fantasy, and suspense. Some titles might not be available right away, in which case you can place a hold. Click the calendar icon to see how long the wait time is for any item. When the title is ready for you, Libby will send you a notification to alert you. You can see your holds by switching to Shelf View using the button at the bottom right corner and clicking Holds. You can also cancel or suspend your holds by using the Manage Hold button under each title. Suspending your hold is helpful if the title becomes available before you are ready to listen to it. If you don't want to wait for something to read, try looking under the Available Now collection. When you find something you're interested in, select Borrow. You'll find all your borrowed items in your shelf under Loans. When you borrowed your first title, it will probably start downloading automatically. I suggest changing the download rules so that you decide when to download your loans manually. Remember that downloaded books will take up storage space on your device. To download a title manually, find it on your shelf and click the little cloud icon. If you'd like to send an ebook to your Kindle, click Read With and select Kindle. This will take you to your Amazon account, where you can select what device to send the title to. Your loans will return automatically when they are due. If you'd like to return a title early, use the Manage Hold option and select Return Early. Now you're ready to begin exploring the Libby app. If you have any further questions, you can give us a call at 406-758-5820 or email us at asklib@imagineiflibraries.org. Thanks for watching!